Hey guys! So we're going to do a fun pour today on a saw blade. I did not prep this at all. You probably should gesso it or something, but I don't feel like it. So, I'm going to do like blues and golds and greens here. Kind of had like maybe mermaid kind of colors in mind, or a peacock maybe or something. So basically the only color I'm not using is red. Okay. I am going to use a little silicone, since this is going to be a small cup. Well, I'm going to put 2 drops still. Okay, and this is like a gold, and then this is like a copper gold. And it's still very windy here, so you know, so you'll probably hear that. Get some white. Okay. And a little more blue. That is way more than enough paint for this. I will have some left over. Tiny bit more gold. Okay. So what I want to do now, so I'm going to take this black and put it all over here. And you can cover up this hole, and some people do cover up the hole. I don't. I consider the whole part of it. And then next people are going to ask me, how do you hang this? Well, the answer is I put a nail in the wall and then I put that through the hole. So I'm very simple. Don't make it complicated. But you can also frame this. You can do all kinds of things, I'm sure. But that's what I do. Alright, we're covered. I'm going to run a little bit off here. Only thing with saw blades is you got to make sure you don't stab yourself. There's a squeaky truck door in the background. That's okay. And I also get asked frequently, where do you get the saw blades? Well, I have a construction company, so we have a lot of saw blades. I am going to give this just a little stir. And then we're going to go. We're going to go for it. Okay, that is way more than enough. Normally I would tilt this, but it is moving quite well because of the black I put under it. So I think I'm going to just let it sit for a bit. Oh, first I'm going to torch it a little. And you can't see the gold a lot yet and the copper, but it's popping through. Okay, so like I said, we're going to let this sit here just a little bit and see if it kind of covers itself. And then we'll come back, and then I might do a little bit of tilting. Okay, I decided to do a little tilting. And I didn't wait that long. So I'm going to try to not mess up the design. So I'm going to just go really slowly. And I'm sorry, it's probably going to take a little while longer than normal. Okay. We're almost good. I'll go a little faster, real quick. Cool. I like it. Well, it's definitely interesting. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to let that sit for a bit. Because it's definitely going to keep moving. Cells will keep popping up. And then we'll go in for the close-up. Okay. So a bit more movement. It's pretty darn cool. We'll go ahead and go in for the close-up. And I would probably paint something on top of this. Like maybe some little turtles swimming or something. It's definitely interesting. Not quite the mermaid colors I was going for. I think maybe a little too much white, but that's okay. I still really like it. And I've got some leftover cool paint to do another pour with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Feel free to practice on things other than, you know, regular canvas, or pour on whatever you want, really. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.